In this video, we will be showing you how you can reset your Eufy camera to factory settings. So to reset your Eufy camera, you can find the physical sync or reset button, which is usually at the back or bottom. Then press and hold it for about 10 seconds until you hear the beep or see an LED light change, which is a blue flashing for outdoor comms. This indicates that the reset process has started, and after that, you will need to re-add it to the Eufy security app as a new device. And how to do them. First is to find the small or recessed sync button often on the back or bottom of the camera and use a pin or paper clip to press and hold this bottom for about 10 seconds. So you'll typically hear two beeps. The LED light will flash blue rapidly. That go once you get the audio or visual cue and allow the camera a minute or so to complete its reboot sequence. And then open the Eufy security app and remove the old device entry if needed and set up the camera as a new device. And that's how you can reset your Eufy camera to factory settings. And thank you for listening.